Hey, good morning. I just woke up and I don't know why am I so sleepless all the time? Like, look at my eyes. I think I need to do something about it, like, because I don't want to get dark circles. Anyway, it's a lovely Wednesday, although I'm not feeling so lovely today. I don't know. I have my drum class in precisely an hour, so I just need to take a shower, have my breakfast, and everything. And then the usual, just the German and study. And don't think I will get time to go for a walk today, but I think I'll do it tomorrow because I'll come back by 5:36, and then I'll just focus everything on studying. Also, I've not practiced, so the tutor is gonna kill me. But it's okay. I mean, the students there are very helpful, so it's fine. Apart from that, I think I should go now, get my milk, get ready in some time, and leave. So let's start the day and let's conquer the day. But it would be better if any of you give me the positivity to get through the day because I'm just feeling so lazy. I mean, even after getting an 8 hour sleep, I'm always so dizzy and sleepy. I don't know what's wrong with me, but I don't know, my body system is like that, and I need good 10 hours, which is very bad because I mean, 10 hours, nobody sleeps 10 hours, and it's a waste of time. But I'm just worried about my dark circles. That's it. I don't have any right now, but I don't want to get any because they can be a hard thing to go. So that's why. Anyway, I'm just gonna get my milk now, and then I'm gonna go for a shower, get ready, go for my class, come back. I'm on my way to my drum class, and it's a red light. I'm done with my class, and it was so stressful because I had to do some errands before that, and I'm still there, but this time I'm not driving and making a video because I'm responsible and people are looking at me. But just wanted to tell you I had a good class, learned some new skills, and hopefully next week I would be able to perform better. So now I'm heading back. Hopefully I won't encounter traffic on my way, so let's head back. Honestly, I'm so tired right now. The reason is I had to submit my fees for my music thing, and I was roaming around in the heat because I had to go to the ATM. Then one ATM was not working, and then I went to the second ATM, and that was not working either. Then I had to go to the third ATM, and it was so sunny, and I felt like my entire energy was drained. And then doing the music thing, came back, had my food, took Pogo out for a walk. You know how taxing that is, and I'm so tired right now. But I did not study yesterday also, and I have to do it today. So I'm back to my favorite place, and I'm gonna try to finish Ace 1 section today. The good news is that my counselor finally picked up my phone, so he's not ignoring me. He just said that he was really busy all this while because he had conferences and everything. So that is done, and he said he'll call me and probably meet this month. Apart from that, I think I will take my things tomorrow, my headphones and my torch, and get them repaired by tomorrow because it's been really long. And also the swimming thing, I have to do it tomorrow. But right now the only thing on my mind is studies. So I'm starting with it, doing the logical reasoning section, which is not very strong right now. So I'm gonna do that, and hopefully my tiredness will not take a toll on me, and I will be able to do stuff. So let's start. No comments. Okay, as I told you before, like roaming around in the heat really like sucked up all my energy, and even now I feel like my scalp is on fire. But I tried to put myself down. I rubbed my under the eyes with the cucumber for 20 minutes. I put curd on my face, and now I feel a little better, little cooler. Also, it helped me retain some of the damage that the sun caused on my skin. um, Also, I'm very particular about keeping my skin good. That is another random thing about me, because I feel your skin can display a lot of things. Like, I mean, after 10 years, I don't want to look like a 50-year-old, so I take frequent care of my skin, which is very, very important for everyone out there. But sadly, not a lot of people take it seriously. So I just did that, and I'm feeling a little good, refreshed right now. So if you can see, my complexion looks better, because I think it was all the dirt and pollution that I got today. Uh, right now it's almost 10 at night, and did some work, and just chilling right now. I'm probably going to sleep early, which I think is going to be a lie, but I'll try. But it's The Walking Dead at 3 a.m., which really like makes me break my promise, and I don't want to miss The Walking Dead. I love that series. I was hooked on to it like 2 years back, and now again I'm hooked on to it. So guilty. Anyway, I'm just chilling right now, just having a little food, a little salad, little few things, and but I'll be back. So you know why, for what purpose. Stay tuned. Hello, all lovely people. As you can see, my selfie stick is back, and it's 12 o'clock midnight. Not that I'm Cinderella, but the day has ended, and many of you have gone to sleep. But I am here again to say a very good night and a take care to all of you. I'm just going to sit down. Right. I had a very good day. I'm really, really happy, and I hope I have days like these every day, and I hope you do too. I just made pancakes for myself, and I had it with maple syrup. Not that I'm a fan of maple syrup, but because it's ending it's expiring in July, and I'm a desi person, so we don't throw anything out. We just overconsume it. And just watching a movie on my laptop, and tomorrow I'm definitely gonna go and get my headphones and my torch repaired, because it's been really long now, and I miss putting that thing over my head. So that is gonna happen. Anyway, we'll see what happens tomorrow, but as for now, good night, take care, see you all tomorrow. I love you all, and have a good night.